here back with another video, and today I'm here with, and this is the third part of the necklace to spike challenge. It's been over an hour since we started, and I'm already tired. It's been like an hour, hasn't it? Since we started. And I think it's our time to stop. Because, like, an hour is over the limit. So, yeah. Including posting these videos. Like, they take forever to load. So that's how it's already an hour. By watching all three of these, you should have had 45 minutes to watch all of them. But it's been an hour for us because of how many minutes it takes to actually publish them. So yeah, let's go to my den and see what items we got. Now, personally, I got an elf tail armor, so we're showing off these items. Yeah, it took us an hour. Let me turn off this music so we can actually hear each other. Alright, so time to come to my den, see what items we got. Come on.
No, I'm going to keep going until after this video. Remember how I failed doing the first one for the star thing, origami star, in my video?
Huh?
Remember how I failed making the origami star in my first video for the unboxing video?
Yeah.
I did it. Look, I did it.
Wait, hold on. Oh, congrats. I think your first try or attempt was terrible.
Mm-hmm. Cut my life into pieces. This is my chocolate bar. Yeah. What was that noise? Why is no one helping me? I will do however many parts it takes to actually get a spike. Maybe I'll continue it the next day. Tomorrow. After school. Something.
Oh, sorry. I was still watching the thing that's from outside. Alright, so you want me to tell you the items I got?
Sure.
Okay, so I got 2 hamsters, 2 rims, 1 square glasses, the spring elf tail armor, that's pretty good, and the New Year celebration hat, which is also a rim. So 3 actually. And that's all the items. What items do you have?
I'm still trying to do this.
So what did you get?
I'm still recording the video.
Oof. That sucks.
What are pride flags? Pride flags? Did I see pride flags? Do I see pride flags? Yes, pride flags for sale. Yes, go, 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 go.
What?
Now. I'm just recording in the shop real quick, guys. So, bye.
Hold on.
There are pride flags for sale. Oh my god.
Well, can I have one?
No, I need to get a lot of flags.
I
Give me
want a
the
flag. I want a flag. I want a flag. Give me a flag. I don't see a
Give the
flag.
bucket the flag.
I don't
Give me
see.
the bucket the flag.
I don't see the flag. I don't see a
Is
flag.
there the rainbow? Where's the rainbow? Is the rainbow one? No rainbow one.
Oh, those. I thought you meant like flags. I found like kind of a rainbow one, but it's 6 diamonds. I found kind of like a rainbow one.
I stole literally almost all of them. Except for one.
There is a red, yellow, and blue one. That's kind of like a rainbow.
Yeah, I took that one.
It says...
The straight flag is the only one that's left.
Oh. Okay.
You gonna buy that one?
No. I'm good.
Look at all the colorful ones.
Alright, so guys, that's it for this necklaces spike challenge.
Because me being me, I have to get the most colorful ones, and I didn't have enough
Yeah, she's actually going to do the necklaces spike challenge, like do the spike. And I'm like, it's been over an hour, and I think I'm good. I don't need a spike. I have way too many spikes, girl. Look how many spikes I have. Look at all my spikes. Huh? Give them all away. Hey.
Oh, guys, I know what song we should play. And you know what song, don't you?
What?
Mm-hmm. Don't you know the song?
I can't hear it.
The song. Don't you know what song to play?
Oh, I like the song,
No.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Play the husband song.
The parody?
Yes.
Oh, you want me to play it?
Yes.
Okay. Look at all my spikes. Huh? Give them all away. Hey, I'm
Play
in
the
this
song. Play it on YouTube.
Any song?
Mm-mm.
Oh my god, guys, I'm gonna have to go, so bye.